Want to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If your locked chats are not hidden, simply swipe down on the chat screen. You'll see the locked chats folder appear at the top. Tap on locked chats. Depending on your settings, WhatsApp will ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, or your secret code. Once verified, you'll be able to view all of your locked chats. Now, if you don't see the locked chats folder after swiping down, it means your locked chats have been hidden with a secret code. To access them, tap on the search bar at the top of the chat screen. Next, type in the exact secret code you created when you enabled the Hide Locked Chats feature. As soon as you enter the correct code, the locked chats folder will appear. Simply tap on it, verify your identity if prompted, and you'll be able to access all of your hidden locked conversations. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching.